welcome back to my channel, The Jamie Nicole. If you couldn't tell by today's title, you guys will be doing something a little bit different with me today. So my parents are on their way over here because my dad is going to mount my TV. Well, I'm gonna try to help, but we'll see. But yeah, my parents are on their way over to my apartment to mount my TV. So you guys are gonna watch that. I feel like I don't show you like that type of lifestyle stuff, so I thought that would be something cool to see. But all right.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
Yeah, it's so cool. I got these from Five Below. I don't know if my dad's gonna let me put them on. No.
I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what?
Okay, so where my dad uses the bathroom, I'm gonna put these LED lights on the back of the TV so that we won't have to worry about it when we're putting it on the wall. So I think they have, it looks like you just take this little tape stuff off on the back and then it just sticks to the TV. Then it has a USB cord that went into the TV right here. What are you doing now, Dad?
I am clamping the two sections of the wall mount together.
Okay.
So that they cover enough distance to encompass two studs.
Okay. For anybody who's never mounted a TV before, this is what goes on the wall. And then this goes on the back of your TV. So I didn't know that. I thought that one went on TV and one went on the wall, but it's so long so that one, you can have space to like, doesn't it slide or something?
Well, your
Or
studs
tilt
in the wall are about 16 inches wide.
Oh, so that it can fit the studs in the spaces.
If you don't reach across both studs, then you can't fasten into the wall.
My dad brought his little on-the-go toolbox. The mobile toolbox set. Another drill bit in here. A variety of drills. This is serious. If you're not coming like this, then you just need to go home. Okay?
I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
We got the TV up. Dad?
There we go.
We did that. We did good, guys. I put my little lights up there. Now that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. We are hot, tired, and stressed. That was a stressful experience for me, only because like I don't like that uncertainty of things falling off walls. So yeah, things falling off the walls, that doesn't frighten you? Well, yeah, yours, but I was just a little nervous. But we got the TV up, guys. I'm very happy with it. Now I'm going to put these sheets on my bed and spend some time with my parents, I guess.
Yeah. Nick's expense.
So, at mommy's expense. So, all right, I will see you guys in my next video. Before you exit out of this one, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep giving you guys great content and continue to grow. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye. You want to say bye, Dad?
Bye.